Hi, I'm Fred Spencer, and this is Fred's Minute. Well, I had a very interesting coffee date tonight with a man from Tanzania who has been in Canada for several years, more than 5 years, and who came here as a refugee. And this man is a truck driver, and he works very hard, and he pays a lot of taxes. And he did receive some support when he first came to Canada for a few months, about in the hundreds of dollars a month, like 600. But the minute he had a job, which was not long after he came, he started making arrangements to pay the money back. So refugees do contribute to our Canadian society. They're not hangers on or taking away jobs. They're contributing to Canada and to our society, and they are a good thing. So when you see negative information blasting refugees and the money spent on refugees, just think about my friend Ali, the truck driver, long-distance truck driver, who pays his taxes and who is a good citizen of Canada today. Thanks for watching my video today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you later.